Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this wig is from Yasgrl. This is their 12-inch loose wave ombre colored wig, undetectable real HD glueless wig. And you guys, although it is glueless, she is 100% secure. And look at the color of this wig. This wig is so cute and it's so summer-like. I can't wait to wear it outside. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. So you guys already know, before we jump into the tutorial, I wanted to give you a full unboxing to show you everything that came along with the wig in itself. They sent so many goodies along with this wig. So here is the hair. Once again, this is their 12-inch loose wave ombre colored wig with undetectable real HD lace, and it is 100% glueless. That is what the lace looks like. So as you guys can see, it melts right into my arm. You cannot even tell. Inside the wig, you have the adjustable straps at the bottom, 3 combs inside, as well as the adjustable elastic band for a full glueless wig install. So let's go ahead and jump on into this wig install. So of course I washed the hair off camera and blew it out off camera as well. I'm showing you guys the inside of the wig because that is the only lace that you have to worry about. And yes, I did bleach the knots off camera to my preference, but we will definitely be making use of that elastic band because you guys know me, I love me a good old glueless wig install. So the first thing you want to do is adjust that strap and make sure it's nice and tight, whichever is comfortable for you. Me personally, I like my wigs nice, tight, and snug. Once I fit the wig to my head, I am going to secure my part because I'm sticking to a middle part. That's actually all we can do because that's the only lace that we have. And then I'm going to cut off all that lace that we do not need. Alright, so all that lace is gone and it like melted into my skin right away. Like you can't even tell I have a wig on right now, which is insane. Also, just so you guys know, the wig does come pre-plucked for you as well. So no, I did not do any additional plucking on this wig whatsoever. I left it the way it was. The only thing that I did was bleach the knots to my preference. Now, although you cannot see the lace from what you guys are looking at in person, I was able to see just a little bit of it. So I'm covering up that lace with some of my foundation just to make sure everything blends in with my skin color. Alright, so now comes time for one of my favorite things to do. This part is crucial to making your wigs look natural and just make it look nice and luxurious. So I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb to lay the lace down and just get any parts that may be looking a little bulky or whatever. And that is how I normally get my wigs to look super flat. So this is crucial for your wig installs, okay? So I use the wax stick and my hot comb towards the front of the lace and then obviously on each side of the middle part. Alright, so I hope you guys can notice the difference. You see how nice and flat that wig is looking. That is what you want, and that is why the wax stick and the hot comb is crucial to making your wigs look super natural and just luxurious like I mentioned earlier. So now it is time for me to recreate those curls. The wig comes with like those loose deep curls, so I did one side off camera. I'm not leaving it this way because we're going to separate them later on, but I'm going to show you exactly how I did that on the other side. I just used my curling wand because I just feel like it was going to give me the loose curls that I was looking for, but I also did use some hairspray before I went in with the curling wand as well. But as always, everything that I use will be listed in the description box down below. Alright, so both sides curled very nicely. The hair took to the curling wand extremely well, so we do know that we have some good quality hair, otherwise it would not take to the curling wand at all. So now I'm just going to go in lightly with my fingers and separate these curls and kind of get that look that we got the wig in the first place, being that I washed it and everything. So just be gentle with this because you don't want to cause any additional frizz. So if you want to put a little bit of oil on your hands, you can, but I'm just going to go ahead and separate the curls on both sides, and you guys will notice the big difference afterwards. Alright, so this is how this one side looks. You guys see how this side is a lot more fuller, a lot more fluffier compared to the other side. That is exactly what we want because that is the style that the wig came in the first place, so I really wanted to recreate that. This is how the hair looked after both sides were done, and let me tell you something, those brown ombre streaks were definitely popping afterwards, and it just made the look so nice. Like those brown ombre features that they added into this hair just makes everything pop, which is why I said it'll be perfect for the summer. Because can you guys imagine how nice this wig will look in the sunlight? And like, let's say you're going out to dinner or something, you have like a nice backless dress. Like, this is that type of wig, okay? But overall, I really did love the color on me in general. I love the brown ombre, of course, and of course I love the fact that it is 100% glueless, because you can never go wrong with the wig that you can literally just throw on your head and leave your house. Not to mention the wig is very lightweight in general, and of course it's a bob wig, so you're not going to be super hot in this hair whatsoever. I feel like this wig is perfect for any event as well. Like, this could be a cool running errands type of wig, going to work type of wig, or going to a special event type of wig. So I definitely recommend this wig to my girlies who want to have a wig that's suitable for all events and it's easy to install. I will have the direct link in the description box down below. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.